Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to the which is the best Snapdragon processor which is available below 20,000 rupees. So a lot of users did ask me this kind of question, which is the best phone to buy under 20,000 rupees. So in this video I'll try to conclude which is the best phone to buy below 20,000 rupees in terms of the Qualcomm Snapdragon processor only. So let's see friends, which will be the most interesting category. So a lot of users, this will be very much a useful video in terms of the performance wise. So I'll try to give a hierarchy from starting from the best processor to the normal, which is a basic processor which you can get below 20,000 rupees. So in this entire video, I'll only take the smartphone's consideration only based on the processor. So not about the display, not about the charging, and not about the battery. So only regarding the Qualcomm processor. So which is the best processor you can buy below 20,000 rupees. So let's get started friends without wasting any time. And the first smartphone which I'll be picking in this race is obviously the Poco X3 Pro device. Yes friends, the Poco X3 Pro, which has got the Snapdragon 860 chipset. So which is a very good chipset and very powerful chipset under the 20,000 rupees. So the 860 is kind of equal to the 855 plus chipset as well, which is the price of the Realme X50 Pro around 24,000 rupees. But this Poco X3 Pro you can get right now for about 16,999 if you use the different bank offers, and which also has the UFS 3.1 storage as well. So that is also another thing. But in terms of the Snapdragon process, this is the first phone which I'll be picking up below 20,000 in terms of the performance wise. So now let's move to the next Snapdragon processor. In this next category is the Snapdragon 750G processor. So in the 750G processor, there are two phones which are available right now. So if you use different bank offers, you can get the phones below 20,000 rupees as well. So the first phone is a Samsung Galaxy M52, which has got launched recently friends. So which is a Snapdragon 750G processor, as you can see here. In terms of the Antutu benchmark score, the Snapdragon 860 can score up to 5,50,000 as well. In terms of this Snapdragon 750G Antutu benchmark score, it can score up to 3,40,000 depending upon the Antutu benchmark version as well. So overall, this is another option which you got below 20,000 if you care about the processor wise. And next phone is that Mi 10i. So next is the Mi 10i friends, which also has the same kind of Snapdragon 750G processor. As I said, if you use different bank cards, so right now this phone will be available below 20,000 rupees as well. So this is another 750G processor. This is another most powerful processor below 20,000 rupees chipset. So these are the two main important processor friends. And next third category goes to the Snapdragon 730G. Sorry, it's not 730G, it's 732G. So yes friends, there is a 732 as well in meanwhile. So this is a Poco X3, so which I am using for the past, I think close to from the release to till now I was using this phone continuously. So with the Snapdragon 732G, you are getting the Antutu benchmark score about 2,18,000 or 2,90,000. Even if you use the latest Antutu benchmark version, you can reach up to 3 lakhs as well. But overall, this is a hierarchy friends. If you start from the Snapdragon 860, Snapdragon 750G, Snapdragon 732G, and next category goes to the Snapdragon 730. Sorry friends, before that, even there's another smartphone from the Moto G 5G which has the Snapdragon 750G. So I thought of informing even this phone will be capable enough to perform very good under 20,000 rupees. So Realme X2 is another phone which has a Snapdragon 730G processor, as you can see friends, which is a 730G. So this is another fourth processor which is always present below the 20,000 range. So 860, 750G, 732G and 730G. So next processor is a phone which has a 720G. So that is another processor which is available below 20,000 rupees. So you can find the Snapdragon 720G processor in plenty of other Realme and even the Redmi phones as well. Even the Motorola phones as well, as you can see, 720G processor. So this is a hierarchy friends. If you're looking into the best processor which is available below 20,000 rupees, so this is a small list for you which I thought of mentioning to you all, so which will be pretty useful in terms of deciding which phone to buy. The Snapdragon, starting from Snapdragon 860 processor from the Poco X3 Pro device, and Snapdragon 750G which is present in 3 different smartphones, Samsung, Motorola and MI 10i device. So next, Snapdragon 732G. 32G is present in most or plenty of other smartphones as well, and even the 30G as well. And that 30G is also present in the Redmi K20 model. And finally is the Snapdragon 720 processor, which is present in the Redmi Note 9 series. So Note 9 Pro. So this is a quick update, friends, on the best Qualcomm Snapdragon processors what money can buy below 20,000 rupees. So for more this kind of series, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends. In the next series, I'll try to do the best Snapdragon processor below 30,000 rupees as well. So stay tuned for that upcoming video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.